Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create a payment in the inventory software. A payment is created when a partial or full payment is made to the supplier for a product or service. To create a payment we need to launch the Create Payment dialog box. We can launch the Create Payment dialog box using various methods. We can use the Quick Access panel on the left side of the window. Click on the Supplier option and then click on the Payment option. The Create Payment dialog box will open. We can also click on the Transactions tab on the menu bar followed by clicking on the Payment option and the dialog box will launch. We can simply press the F5 key on our keyboard and the Payment dialog box will open. After that we can feed the details. We can change the date, as we can see here. Then we have to add the supplier's name to whom we are making the payment, for example Akash Enterprises. To select the supplier's name, you can start typing any part of the supplier's name. The system will show the list of all matching ledgers. You can change the selection using the up or down arrow and then press the Enter key to select. After this, the balance amount is shown here for the particular ledger. We can then feed the amount to be paid in this text box. We can then select the payment mode by which we are making the payment. For example, cash or Paytm. Here we can also see how much balance we have for the particular payment mode. We can then write a description if required. If we are paying through check, we can write the check number here followed by the check date. If we want to maintain payment against invoices, then we can select the invoice for which payment is being made. To do so, we need to click on the Add button as we can see here. After this, a search window opens where all the purchases in the name of the selected ledger is shown. Here we can also filter using purchase voucher numbers. After this, we can select the purchase and then press the OK button. After this, the reference transaction purchase is attached to the payment. Maintaining payments against invoices is optional and you can record payments without adding invoice information also. Finally, we can click on the OK button and the payment will be generated. We can then see the payment in the payment register. To open the payment register, we can click on the Reports tab in the menu bar. Then we need to click on the Accounting Transaction Register. After that, select Payment Register and the payment register will open. We can filter the payments after filling the duration dates here. And then clicking on the Show button. After this, we get the list of payments for the selected duration. Hence, we can see the payment is generated. We can edit the payment using this button. We can also delete a payment. To do so, we have to select any payment and press the Delete button. The payment will be deleted. We can take a print of the payment register using the Print button we can see here. After we click on this, the print preview of the payment register is generated. We can print the register from here. We can also send the register as SMS or WhatsApp, save as PDF or save as Excel file. To print a payment, we have to click on the Print Voucher option and the print preview will open. We can take print using the Print button that we can see here. We can also save the payment as PDF using Save as PDF button. After clicking on this button, the receipt is saved as PDF in the path directory that we can see here. We can open the folder in which it is saved by clicking on the Open Folder button. As we can see here, the payment is saved. So we understood how to create a payment and then how to take a print of the payment. Thank you.